Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best smartphone garage door opener monitor. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Genie Aladdin Connect Smartphone Garage Door Opener Monitor. Open and close your garage door from anywhere using your iPhone or Android device. Brand Genie. Color, monitor and control your garage door from anywhere. Material plastic. Style Aladdin Connect Kit. Item weight 16 ounces. Wi-Fi enabled garage door. The Aladdin Connect garage door controller gives you the ability to monitor, open and close your garage door with your smartphone or smart device from anywhere. Also compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Get the smart security advantage. Using a sensor attached to the garage door, Aladdin Connect monitors the garage door's position, allowing you to be alerted when the door opens or closes, electronically or manually. Control up to 3 garage doors. One door position sensor comes standard in this smartphone controller kit, but you can monitor up to 3 garage doors with additional door position sensors sold separately. Automate door close times and create virtual keys. Aladdin Connect lets you schedule times to close your garage door as well as close the door after a certain length of time. You can also set up virtual keys for friends, neighbors, and relatives. Number 2. Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt, with Camelot trim and satin nickel. Brand Schlage. Special featured door locks. Lock type keypad. Item dimensions LXWXH 0.9 by 3 by 5 inches. Material nickel. Built-in Wi-Fi allows you to lock/unlock from anywhere, plus set up guest access codes for recurring, temporary or permanent access when paired with the Schlage Home app or Key by Amazon app. No additional accessories required. For additional convenience, enjoy voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant. Create and manage up to 100 access codes for trusted friends and family to use with the fingerprint-resistant, capacitive touchscreen with easy one-touch locking. Built-in alarm technology senses potential security breaches at the lock. Easy to install with just a screwdriver. Unique snap and stay technology snaps the deadbolt onto the door so both hands are free during installation. Guaranteed to fit standard doors, 1 3/8 inches to 1 3/4 inches. Door thickness in 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches. Back sat. Backed by a limited lifetime mechanical and finish warranty. See Schlage warranty for full details. Number 3. August Home Silver Wi-Fi Connected Smart Keyless Entry Door Lock. Electronic door lock fits your existing deadbolt in minutes. August SL05M01S01. Brand August Home. Special feature biometric verification, retrofits to your existing deadbolt, no hub needed. Lock type biometric, deadbolt, Wi-Fi, smart lock. Item dimensions LXWXH 2.8 by 2.8 by 2.75 inches. Material metal. Upgrade your existing deadbolt. August smart locks fit on the inside of your door, making your regular deadbolt smarter, more secure, and way more convenient. Keep your keys just in case, but you won't need them. Connectivity protocol, Wi-Fi. Note, measure your door's backset. Cross-bore in thickness to ensure you find the right fit. Control method, voice. Grant access with the August app, forget key copying. Quickly and easily share permanent, scheduled or temporary access to your home with friends, family and other people you trust, and never put a key under the doormat again. Easy to install on any door, even if you're not so handy. Installation only takes about 10 minutes. August locks fit perfectly over most single-cylinder deadbolts and aren't much bigger than your original thumb turn. Auto locks and unlocks. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is able to auto-unlock as you get home for totally hands-free unlocking, optional. With Auto Lock and Door Sense, your home automatically secures once your door is closed, or after a set amount of time. Works seamlessly with your smart home. Built-in Wi-Fi allows your lock to work with your favorite voice assistant, including Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, Samsung SmartThings. Number 4. Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt with Camelot trim in aged bronze. Brand Schlage. Special featured door locks. Lock type keypad. Item dimensions LXWXH 2.24 by 3 by 5.47 inches. Material zinc. Smart lock with built-in Wi-Fi allows you to lock/unlock from anywhere, no additional accessories required. Pair with the Schlage Home app or Key by Amazon app to create and manage up to 100 access codes for trusted friends and family for recurring, temporary or permanent access. Note: measure your door's backset, cross-bore and thickness to ensure you find the right fit. Note: measure your door's backset, cross-bore and thickness to ensure you find the right fit. Works with Alexa. Check the status of your lock and lock/unlock your door. In addition, Alexa will let you know when your battery is running low or set up smart reorders through Amazon replenishment so you always have replacement batteries when needed. Fingerprint resistant, capacitive touchscreen with easy one-touch locking. Optional voice control offers hands-free convenience when using voice-enabled products. Built-in alarm technology senses potential security breaches at the lock, while the low battery indicator offers advanced warning for battery replacement. Easy to install with just a screwdriver. Unique snap and stay technology snaps the deadbolt onto the door so both hands are free during installation. Number 5. Sifely Smart Lock Wi-Fi Gateway. Brands Sifely. Special features Sifely Model G2 Gateway. Lock type model name, G2. Item dimensions LXWXH 2.76 by 2.76 by 1.02 inches. Material acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Compatibility works for Sifely, Samtec T, and Dermum branded smart door lock. Easy setup, just plug it in, connect and set up with your smart lock app within 2 minutes. One Sifely Wi-Fi gateway can pair as many locks as you want. We strongly recommend that the distance between locks and gateway is 10 feet for a strong connection. Remote control, remotely control your door lock anywhere in the world even if you are away from home. Set, change, delete codes from anywhere anytime. You can also check door status, battery life and activity logs remotely in real time. Note: our gateway connects only to 2.4 GHz networks. Instant alerts, get instant alerts who enters or exits your home. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.